Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to increase the accuracy of location on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, for those of you who want to share your location accurately and precisely, now you can increase the accuracy of the Google location on your cell phone so that when you activate this feature, the location in your cell phone will be more accurate and precise. And how to activate or how to increase the accuracy of location is very easy. So yeah, okay, first now you can go to settings menu and then you can scroll down and go to location menu on your phone like this. And then so yeah, now you can scroll down and go to location services and then go to location accuracy and you can turn it on. So when location accuracy is on, information about wireless signal such as Wi-Fi access point, mobile network is used to estimate more accurate device location. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.